Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. All are warm welcome to our online class. My dears, I believe that you have studied the previous classes. We have studied multiples, factors, prime factorization, odd number, even number, prime number, twin prime, and many important points have been studied. Okay, today we are going to start a new chapter number 4, LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. Okay, LCM and HCF. I'm sure that all of you have studied these two terms in 5th class. Okay, least common factor, highest common factor. Least common multiple, highest common factor. M means multiple, F means factor, L means least, C means common. Okay, H highest, C common, F factor. Least common factor and a highest common factor, a simple and very important points. Okay, so I would like to read 5 questions here first. We have studied in previous class. You just think and you just find out the answer. Find the prime factors of numbers using factorization method. So you have to use the factorization method and to find out the prime factors. 36, prime factors of 36, prime factors of 21, prime factors of 16, prime factors of 25 and 16. Okay, second question, find the prime factors of the following numbers using the factor tree. We have studied factor tree. Example, first question, 32. Factor tree. Yes. Then next. This is the factor tree. Okay. At last, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 5, 2. This is the what is factor tree. Okay, then you have to second question, find the prime factors of the following numbers using the factor tree. Okay, then third question, find the first 5 multiples of the following. We have studied the multiples and factors. Fourth question, use the divisibility rule to check the following numbers are divisible. Okay, we have studied. Fifth question, fill in the missing digit to find the number that is divisible by the number given in the bracket. Also, we have studied. Then let us start the LCM. Okay, least common multiple. Today let us discuss about LCM, least common multiple. What is least common multiple? Consider the number 12 and 18. 12 and 18. What is the least common multiple? Least means smallest. Common means common. Multiple. Okay. Then there are two numbers. We have to find out the LCM of these two numbers. How can you find out? First step, we have to find out the multiples of 12 and 18. Multiples of 12 and 18. Which are the multiples of 12 and 18? Yes. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. These are the multiples of 12. Then multiples of 18, 36, 54, 72. Okay, these are the multiples of 18. Our question, which are the common multiples here? 12? No, 12 is not common multiple because there are no 12 in the multiples of 18. The 12 is only the multiple of 12, not the multiple of 18. So it is not the common multiple. 24? No, there is not 24. 36? Yes, here 36, here and also 36. Listen here carefully. Here 36, here and also 36. Then the 36 is common multiple. Yes, just write common multiple, not LCM but CM. Common multiple 36. Next, 48? No, 48. 60? No. 72? Yes, 72 also. 72 also a common multiple. Okay. Then if we check the other multiples, then we can find out the multiples again. Okay. Yes. Then my question, which is the LCM? Least common multiple. Here two multiples are common, but here least, the smallest common multiple here 36. Then LCM is 36. Simple question. Do you understand? First, there are two steps to find out the LCM. First, we have to find out the multiples of two numbers, and next we have to collect the least common multiple. Okay, common multiple and least common multiple. Next, we can take a simple example. 2. LCM of 2 and 4. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? Yes, first we have to find out the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Then 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay. These are the multiples of 2 and 4. Then we have to find out the common multiples here. 2. 2 is not common multiple. 4. Yes, 4 is common multiple. Then 4. Next, 6. Common multiple means two numbers includes the same multiple, then it is common multiple. Okay, 4 is common multiple, 6 is not. 8, yes, 8 is common multiple. And 10, no. 12, yes, 12 is common multiple. Then 14, no. 16, yes, 16 is common multiple. Okay, here 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16 are common multiples. Okay, common multiples of 2 and 4. But here LCM, least common multiple. These are CM, common multiples. But LCM, here LCM is 4 because it is the least common multiple. Okay, 4 is the common multiple. Did you understand? Okay, yes, very simple. Then we have to study the method of finding LCM. Okay, then there are different examples you have to find out. Okay, then there are two methods to find the LCM. How many methods are there? Two methods. Method 1, LCM by prime factorization method. Second method, LCM by division method. Okay, let us discuss about LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization is used here. Okay, LCM by prime factorization method. First, there are two steps. Listen here, we have studied the prime factorization. What is prime factorization? A number can be factorized until it reach in the prime numbers. Are you okay? Prime factorization means 10. 10 is a number. The prime factorization, the factors of 10, we can write 2 into 5, 10. Then 5. Is there another factors? No. Then 5, 2. Okay, these are the prime factors of 10. Prime factors of 10. This is the prime factorization because 2 has not a 2 more factors. 2 more factors. 2 has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. 5 has only 2 factors, 5 and the number 5, 1 and the number itself, 5. So it is known as prime factor. So prime factorization means here like this. So prime factorization can be used to find out the LCM. There are two steps. First step, write all the prime factors of each of the given numbers. Okay, write all the prime factors of each of the given numbers. Then second step, find out the maximum numbers of times prime factor appeared in the given numbers. Okay, two steps. First step, write all the prime factors of each of the given numbers. Second step, find out the maximum number of times prime factor appeared in a given numbers. Okay, so there is an example. Let us take this example. Okay, 20, 35, 50. We have to find out the LCM of 20, 35, 50. We are going to use prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. First step, write all the prime factors of each of the given. What is the factor? Which are the factors of 20? 20. Let us write here 20. Two into 10, 20. Okay. Let us simple way to find out tree method. Then okay. Then how many factors? 2, 2, 5. This is the prime factors. So let us write here prime factors of 20, 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Okay. Then next 35. 35. 5 into 7. 5 into 7. 35. Both numbers are prime numbers. Then these are the prime factorization. Then 35. 5 into 7. Next 50. We have to find out the factorization, prime factors of 50. Okay. Yes, these are the prime factor. Please listen here. 50 can be divided into, can be factorized 2 into 25. Here 25, 5 into 5. Then 2, 5, 5. These are the prime factors. 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, first step is over. What is the first step? Write all the prime factors. The prime factors of 20, 2, 2, 5. 2, 2, 5. 35, 5, 7. 50, 2, 5, 5. Okay. These are the prime factors of 20, 35, 50. Okay. First step is over. Second step, find out the maximum number of times prime factor appeared. Maximum number of times prime factors occurred. Maximum number. Here, how many prime factors are there? Yes, let us take 2. 2 is a prime factor. Okay. Then write here 2. Then there is 5. Then 7. Okay. 3 numbers, 3 digits. 2, 5, 7. Then here 2, 5, 7. Okay. Then 3 numbers. My question, maximum time. We have to find out the maximum number of times. Maximum number of times prime factor appeared in the given numbers. Find out. Yes. 2. A prime factor. Maximum time. Here only one time. Listen here carefully. It is something difficult. 2 occurred here only one time. Then we cannot select it. Okay. Then here not 2. Here 2 times. 2 occurred. The prime factor 2 occurred 2 times. Then we have to select these 2 double 2. We have to select these double 2 because here 2 occurred 2 times. Okay. Let us write 2 into 2. Okay. Then 5. Here only one time. 5 here only one time. Here only one time. But here 2 times. Then we have to select this. Double 5. Okay. Then into 5 into 5. Okay. Then 7. Here no 7. Here no 7. Here only one 7. Then we can select this 7. Okay. Yes. This is the condition of or rules of or steps of finding LCM by prime factorization method. Okay. After that, we have to multiply each other. We have to multiply each other. Then we get the correct answer. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 5, 10. Okay. Simple. We have studied the what? Properties of whole numbers. Okay. Properties of whole number. Then it is very simple. 2 into 5, 10. Into 2 into 5, 10. Into 7. Then 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 7, 700. Very simple. Okay. Then the answer is 700. Answer is 700. Okay. The LCM of 20, 35, 50 is 700. Okay. Least common multiple of 20, 35 and 50 is 700. Okay. Yes. These are the steps of finding LCM by prime factorization method. Okay. Please write down in your notebook. Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Then there are different example 2, find the LCM of 20 and 75 using the prime factorization method. You have to write down in your notebook and find out the answer. Then please compare with the correct answer. Then it is very simple. There is the correct answer in your textbook. Then page number 46, LCM by division method. LCM by division method. Okay. LCM by division method. Yes. What is here? Find the LCM of 225, 375 and 600. Let us find the factors of the numbers 225, 375 and 600. Okay. Yes. There are several steps. Okay. Very simple method. Okay. I think first let us take a simple example. Okay. Like here we have find out the LCM of yes 9, 15 and 10. Okay. 9, 15 and 10. Okay. Yes. Let us take this example. Okay. 9, 15, 10 by division method. Here you have to divide with the suitable numbers. Let us take here. Listen here very carefully. 9, 15, 10. Which is the common number to divide these three? No common. Then you can take 2 or 3, whatever may be. If it is divided by 9 is not divided by 2. So you just write down 9. Listen here carefully. Then 15. No, you cannot divide 15 by 2 because there should be remainder. So you should divide exactly. Okay, then you can avoid. Then you can write down the 15 below. Then 10. Yes, you can. Then how many 2 are there? 5. Then next step 9. You can take 3. You can take 3. Whatever number 3 can be 9 can be divided by 3. Then how many 3s are there? 3. Then 15. Yes, 15. 5 3. 5 cannot. Then 5 write down. Then next 3 here 1 and 5 no, 5 no. Then 5 1 write down 5 1 5 1 5. Please listen here. Please listen here. It is the division method. Please listen carefully, very careful. Okay, it is very important. You have to divide until you get 1 at last. Okay, you get 1. You can divide with any number. Small number 2. Only this 10 is divided by 2. Then rest of the number you just write down the below. Okay. Okay. Next 3 you can divide 9 with 9 and 15. Then 5 cannot be divided by 3. Then you just write down the 5 below. Okay. At last you get this. After that you have to multiply these. You have to multiply 2 into this 2. Then 3 into here another 3 into 5. Okay. 2 into 3 6. 6 into 3 18. Okay. 18 into 5. 18 into 5. What is the half of 18? 9. Then 90. The answer is 90. Okay. 2 into 3. 3 into 3. 5. Okay. 2 into 3. 6. 6 into 3. 18. 18 into 5. 90. The answer, the LCM of here 90. LCM of 9, 15, 10. 9, 15, 10. LCM of 9, 15, 10. What is 90? The least common multiple. Least common multiple. Okay. That is the method of division method. You just look the answer. Example 1, page number 45. I just take the simple example. The answer here LCM of 9, 15, and 10 is 90. 90, the same answer. Here it is used first we have to take the multiples of 18, multiples of 9 and 15 and 10. Then after that find out the least common multiple. But this is the method of division. Okay. Yes. Simple method. Then there are example 1, 2. So you just write down in your notebook. It is very simple. We have studied here first question 225, 375, 600. First then divide with 5. With 5. 225, how many 5 are there? 45. Then 375, there are 75 for. 600, 120, 125 5s are there. then divide again by 5, then you get 9, 15, 24, then divide now by 3, then 3, 5, 8, divide by 3, ignoring 5 and 8. Please listen here, divide by 3, ignoring 5 and 8. Why? Because 5 and 8 cannot be divided by 3. Okay, 5 and 8 cannot be divided by 3. So, you just ignore. Then divide by 5, ignoring 1 and 8. Then last you get 1, 1, 1. So, after that you have to multiply. Okay, then the answer is 9,000. LCM of 225, 375, 600 is 9,000. Okay, then second example, find the LCM of 100, 140 and 150 by using division method. You get the same answer. Okay, yes, this is the division method. Then let us discuss about application of LCM. What is application of LCM? Yes, application of LCM. Which are the applications? First example, find two numbers. Find two numbers nearest to 10,000 which are exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Question is, find two numbers nearest to 10,000. What is 10,000 which are exactly divisible. Okay, the two numbers are exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How can you find out? Yes, then you have to use the LCM. Okay, first and foremost you have to find out the LCM of, first find out the LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, division method is simple. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then we can take 2. 2 can be divided by 2, then 1. 3 cannot be divided by 2, then we write 3. 4 can divide by 2, then 2. 5 not. 6 yes. 7 not. Then next step, we can take 2, then 1. Write down 1, ignoring 1, 3, ignoring 3, 2 yes, become 1, then 5, ignoring 5, 3, ignoring 7, ignore. Then we can take 3. Okay, 1, ignoring 3, yes, 1, 1, 5, no, 3, yes, 1, 7, no. Then we can take 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 7. Then at last we can take 7. Then all are become 1. Okay, very simple. Yes, did you understand? How can we get this? First we take 2 and divide these numbers by 2. Then some numbers can be ignored because it cannot be divided exactly. So we ignore it. Yes, after that we get this answer. Then the multiples. Then LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, Yes. Then what is the answer? What is the answer? 2 into 2, 4. Then 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, 60. 60 into 7, 420. What is 420? You just multiply 2 into 2 and 3, then 5, then 7. Otherwise, you can multiply 3 into 5, 15. Then 15 by 7, 15 by 7. We have studied the simple method of 15. Okay, you can use that. Then you get 420. 420. Okay, application of LCM. Our question: find two numbers nearest to 1000, nearest to 10,000. Okay, yes. Then LCM, we get the LCM. After that, you have to divide. You have to divide 10,000 by 420. 420. Then you get remainder. What is the remainder? 340. 340. Okay. Remainder here. You have to divide please divide here. We have no enough time. Okay, you just divide in your notebook. Sure, you get a remainder. You get a remainder. What is the remainder? 340. 340. Then the least, hence two numbers nearest to 10,000 which are divisible by 2 and 4 are, what is? You just subscribe 10,000 minus 340. 0, 6, 6, sorry, not 340, but we get 400. Okay. What is 340? You just subscribe. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 4, not. You just borrow, then it will become 10. Then you just borrow, then it will become 10, and here 9. Then next here 9, here 10. Then 6. 9 minus 3, 6. 9, 1. Okay, this is the answer. Sorry. This is the answer because there is no one. We have borrowed this one. Okay. Yes. Then 9,660. 9,660. That is the answer. Then this is the one number which this number should be divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please listen here. The nearest number to the 10,000 to divide 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 9,660. 660. Then next we have to find out the two numbers. Then you just add. You just add what? This common multiple, LCM, least common multiple. If you add with the 9660 plus 420, then you get the answer. 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 6, 8, 4 plus 6, 10, remainder 1 plus 9, 10. Then this is the second number. Okay, 10,080. 10,080. 9,660 is the one number and 10,080 is the second number. Okay? Yes. It is very simple. Two numbers nearest to 10,000 which are divisible. Then example 2. Determine the lowest natural numbers which when divided by 16, 28, 40, 77 leaves 8 as the remainder in each case. Tricky question. You just find out. It is very simple. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Then activity time. You can read and you can do in your home. Then exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Find the LCM of the following. There are number of questions to find LCM. Okay, you have to find out the LCM. Then second question, find the least number which when divided by 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35 leaves the remainder 7 in each case. Third question, find the smallest number which when divided by 15, 25 and 35 leaves remainder 5 in each case. Fourth question, the students in a class can be divided into groups of 2, 3, 5 and 6. What is the least number of children this class can have? Please find. Fifth question, 3 bells ring at intervals of 5, 10 and 15 minutes. After how much time will they ring together again if they start ringing simultaneously? Very simple question. Then let us take next class. We can discuss highest common factor. We have completed the discussion of least common multiple, LCM. Okay. Let us take another important matter or topic, highest common factor, in our next class. Thank you watching for this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.